Our goal with lesson 2 is to make a blinking LED. You see the code here, and now let's take a look at what we should expect to see. Our next step will be to go to New Text Project and select Python. Our very first step is to set up any devices we're going to need for the program. In particular, for this one, we're going to need an LED. So we'll go to Devices, we'll add a device. In this case, we want to add a 3-wire device, which is an LED. So we'll choose LED, and mine is plugged into port H. And I'll select Done. So now we know we want it to happen repeatedly. So I'm going to go to Control and drag the while loop over under Begin Project Code. For condition, I'm going to type in the word true, because I want this continually to happen as long as the condition below is true. Now we'll go to Looks, which is where we'll find the LED. We'll say LED on. Now we'll choose Control and do a wait for 1 second. But instead of 1 second, let's delete that and make it 0.5. What we've just said is turn LED H on for 0.5 seconds. Next, we'll go back to Looks, and we need to turn LED H off. Notice it already populates with the H because there is only one LED right now. We'll once again go back to Control and choose Wait. And we'll change it to 0.5. We can delete the remainder, and we can save the project. We can now download it to our device and press Start to see the outcome.